So quiet up here. No other person as far as my eye can see. Love it up here. Something's ringing my bell. How about that? I did catch a fish today. Time to go home. It's raining. It's beautiful up here.